Artificial intelligence has a number of potential advantages and disadvantages when used in manufacturing companies. Artificial intelligence can automate routine tasks, optimize production schedules, and identify and address issues in real time, which can lead to increased efficiency and productivity. Artificial intelligence can analyze data in real time to detect defects and improve quality control processes, leading to higher quality products and reduced waste. Artificial intelligence can monitor equipment in real time and detect potential issues before they result in downtime or breakdowns, reducing maintenance costs and improving production uptime. By automating routine tasks, AI can reduce the need for manual labor and help manufacturers save on labor costs. Artificial intelligence can improve safety by identifying potential safety hazards in real time and providing alerts or shutting down processes if necessary. Implementing AI systems can be expensive, and small or medium-sized manufacturers may not have the budget to invest in these systems. Implementing AI systems can be complex and require specialized expertise, which can be a challenge for some manufacturers. AI systems require high-quality data to function properly, and manufacturers may struggle to gather and process the data needed to train AI models. The automation of routine tasks may lead to job displacement for some workers, which can have negative social and economic impacts. Overall, AI has the potential to provide significant benefits to manufacturing companies, but implementation requires careful consideration of costs, data quality, and potential social and economic impacts.